What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Lee back at it with another video. And today, man, we are installing a Hellcat Airbox in my 2019 Scat Pack Charger. I just got this in from Steve White Motors, and it's gonna be kind of a big project, I guess, because I gotta take out this whole damn bumper. I'm gonna take off both wheels, so I'm able to, you know, reach where I need to reach and stuff. And I only have one jack stand and then a jack, so that's what I'm gonna have to work with to jack my car up. But yeah, let's get this going and let's see what's up. I guess my jack won't fit underneath. It hits right there, so I gotta put like a block so I can get it up higher so I can get this jack underneath. Alright, this should bring it up just high enough because it almost clear, but just barely. So I'll get up on top of this. That should. Damn, I'm not even all the way up on there. Is it gonna fit anyway? Okay, and we got clearance. Alright, man, so I decided I'm not gonna try to do it with one good jack stand and then only like the jack. So I need two good jack stands and I want my jack under there so it's like big security, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to go through to my homie Larry's house. He got two for me and I'm about to borrow those. And he also got just got his Cobra back too. I don't know what type of Cobra, like 04 or some shit, but he's got a whipple put on it. It's like 900 horsepower, some shit, fully built. So maybe we see a little bit of that. When'd you put that hood on?
Did Chico.
Oh, they did it?
I bought it for one of the dudes that
Oh yeah, because it was peeling on here before, right? Yeah, the hood was peeling, that's right. Get out the way. The full fuel pump prime, yeah.
It's probably still not gonna start. E5.
It's on E right now?
No, it's just E85.
Yeah, it's on E85 right now, yeah. Yeah, that corn. That elote. What size is the pulley?
3.5, 3.45. So I go down to like a 2.75, I think.
Yeah, that, woo!
Like another 3/4 of it is.
Yeah, wow.
It's fucking loud,
bro. You spitting flames? Probably at night time you probably see some flames, huh?
Break your fucking camera.
Bruh. I know, when I'm at the drag strip and shit, bro, the fucking loudness is on another level, bro.
Rattles your fucking
and you feel it in your chest and shit.
When I'm driving, dude, I got the shakes like the whole time while I'm driving.
Oh my god. What kind of brakes you got? Okay. Oh no, you got some.
The Cobra ones right now, but
yeah.
those are the next things I get.
Yeah. Just in the front?
$24 for a tank of gas.
$24 for how many? What, 13 gallon tank?
Yeah.
13.
I think it's between or whatever to go get gas.
So no super stop up there. That's the only spot, right? Yeah, that's the only spot I seen. Shit.
So next I gotta get the fucking. I'm gonna have to get the rear end. My rear end's gonna be broken probably in the next like 2 weeks.
Really? What do you got back there?
Well, I got everything built around the rear diff, but I built the rear, or I got the brace for the rear diff and everything too, but I strengthened everything around the rear. See that? The IRS, the rim, I can't go any fucking
Oh,
smaller than
I
16.
see, I
If I get a
see.
smaller fucking rim, I made that shit.
Damn.
Yeah, already fucking the exhaust broke right apart. Took all the rubber fucking like balls stuck to it. It's kind of funny. But yeah, the fucking cracked it, ripped the exhaust right apart from twisting, I guess. You see where they're braced together?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It fucking ripped the bracket right apart. Already? Well,
Does it rattle now?
On the exhaust, no.
Nah.
Oh shit, it did. It fucking ripped it right apart. Needs to be tigged. Yeah. Actually, look. You have my father or that dude Ryan's helped me do it. Yeah. You need to have Ryan's help me do it, bro. It's just the same plate. He's just gonna grind that off and then TIG it. That's it. It's different. Yeah. The way back to the X pipe is the same. Through the X pipe.
Alright, so I'm on my way back home now. He's actually about to pick me up later and we're about to do a reaction video to his car, so I'm looking forward to that. It's gonna be the fastest car I've ever been in. I've never ever been in something like that, so that's just gonna be cool, man. So that'll be a whole separate video, but that'll be happening tonight. Alright, man, that took way longer than expected, but I got my wheels off. The reason I took the wheels off is so I can get all of these clamps easy, and I'm gonna need to reach inside. After I get this shield out, I'm gonna need to get some bolts that are in here, and there's supposed to be like one like here and there or whatever, so gotta remove this whole shield. I'm getting a Ziploc bag so I can, you know, keep track of all my little clamps that I need to put on. So I'm gonna start with this one, I guess. I'm over here watching a YouTube video on how to do it, and yeah, man, so we'll see what steps I need to take. Alright, so what I just did, I removed all these little clamps, and then you have a screw right here. You can use your 10mm. There's also one over here that I just removed, and then now I believe I'm gonna go in the car and do all the clamps, because then I have to do the one that's under here and under here, so then the whole fender comes out, the front bumper comes out. Yes sir. Let me tell y'all what, man, that was the biggest pain in the ass ever, bro, for real. Oh my god. So now I gotta undo this and then unplug this light. Just be a clip. I don't want to break it, but yeah, I gotta undo that one and undo this one, and oh yeah, here's the bolts that hold the bumper together right there. So I gotta undo that one, and then there's supposed to be, I don't know, maybe this thing too, I don't know, something else I gotta do over here, but we'll see. Alright, y'all, finally got that mother effer off. My girl's losing patience with me, I feel it. We're supposed to be kicking in and stuff.
He told me he was gonna be done an hour and a half, 3 hours ago.
Yeah, y'all know how that shit goes, man. It's a lot harder sometimes than you think it might be, especially when you watch a video and you're doing it by yourself. It's hard, but so yeah, for anybody who's gonna do this, you're gonna want someone to help y'all with you, so they can be doing the other side while you're doing one side, because they're also just gonna take twice as long. All right, here's the new one compared to the old one. Here's the feed hole, so I can put the funnel that'll go near where their whatever the fuck it's called. I don't know what it's called right now, but. And then we got this while my ceiling was coming out, so wasn't getting the best airflow on my intake. That's crazy. That was already like that. But for that, I bought some sponge window seal, so I'm gonna kind of imitate what they had here on here. All right, y'all. It is the next day. There was just way too much going on for me to keep filming on how the whole airbox installation was going, and there's already videos out there if y'all need to see that shit, so yeah. But let's see if I can show y'all kind of what it looks like. Probably not, you can't even really see it. Looks just the same as the normal airbox, because the top airbox is the same, but right here you can see that's where the tube is feeding all the way through here to here. So now it is a functional airbox, and my air intake temps have been real good, real low, and I haven't seen no problems. I don't know if I really seen too much of a gain or nothing. I haven't really gone on it too much, so that's actually what we're about to go do right now. Is go take it for a little spin and see if there's any noticeable difference. I doubt it, but we'll find out. Let's get this thing started. I'm gonna try to get a good GoPro view because I'm hella tall, bro. So y'all be seeing the ceiling and shit when I be trying to do a POV. Looks like they opened up the park again or something. Or everybody's just over and they're starting to come out. Actually, there's no one at the park. It's just everybody's cars. That's crazy. Maybe they're over there walking on the trails and shit. Fuck it. Damn, watch out, little squirrel. Alright, man, now we warmed up. Now, of course, everybody always want to drive over here when I want to drive. Leave me in the open room. Oh, almost just hit a bird. I don't know if y'all seen that, but there's a bird that went just right there and I just missed it. Actually, here's an idea. Maybe I'll go, maybe I'm gonna go try to do a 0 to 60 and see with their Hellcat Airbox if I could beat my personal best. I'm not gonna get too many opportunities. I know it's kind of cold out too, so I'm probably just gonna spin like crazy. But we still gonna send it. Alright, go to my timers. Alright, here we go. First gear, I'm gonna pedal it. Go like 1500, maybe more. As soon as I was about to do it, I seen this dude coming down with his bike. Damn. Thanks, bro. Alright, we're gonna try this again. No more bikers coming down the hill. Try to get that personal best. My personal best, I believe, is I think either a 4.2 or a 4.3. But I'm pretty sure I've seen dudes on YouTube do better than that. So, all right, let's try. Can't do it. We need new tires, I think. Just spin mania, and then look. The whole pack came through. Give him a wave. Maybe that's the next thing I need to do is try to get some R888s in the back or something more sticky. Let's go. Wake up all the rich people. By doing that, we left some 11s, so I got 0, 0, 0 traction today. So it ain't no 0 to 60s happening, that's for sure. Of course, there's a car right here. If I live right here, this would be my skid pad for sure. Officer CHP up here chilling. Not today. We're gonna slide this corner right here. If I get enough space to do so. Yep. Alright y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate y'all for tapping back in. Make sure to look out for the 900 wheel horsepower Cobra video that I'm gonna be doing with Larry. It's gonna be a good video. So yeah man, just look out for that. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate y'all for tapping back in. We'll be back with some more.